And these pop are so satisfying. So I've been playing with this like literally almost like all day long because it's like it has amazing pops. But anyways, so in today's video, I will be unboxing some fidgets because if you guys know what this thing is, so it's called a Skechers block, and basically at the Skechers block they were selling fidgets. So I got these two poppets there, and they're really nice. And then actually on Amazon, I recently ordered a fidget pad, and it actually came today. I'm so excited. Well, it was supposed to come yesterday, but since it got delayed till today, but I'm so happy it came. So I'm going to open this last because this is the thing I'm most excited for. But first, this is a mini poppet. So it says Friendship Foundation and has a little keychain. Okay, so let's feel it. So this is the bad side. Okay, let's see the good side. Oh my gosh. It's actually so good. Now let's try squishing this because all my friends have mini poppets and they all squish so well. Oh my gosh. This squishes so well. I love this so much, and this is actually my first ever mini poppet, so yeah. Also guys, I just want to show you something really quick. What is this mini poppet compared to the giant poppet? Like, this is crazy. But yeah. Next I have this square poppet. I've actually never had a square poppet before, so yeah. So let's try the pops. So this is definitely the bad side. Not that bad. It's easy to press down the bubbles, but not bad for a bad side. Okay, the good side. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. I didn't know they sell stuff that are this good. These are literally, this is hands down a 10 out of 10. This is amazing. Now let's try squishing it. Also guys, if you didn't know my favorite types of poppets besides giant poppets, probably these type of squares because it's so even and it's really easy to pop. Okay guys, look at this because you can use 3 fingers and just go like that. So yeah. Lastly, this is the moment I've been waiting for. Fidget pad. I've always wanted one. Okay. Oh, you open here. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god. I have my own fidget pad. Okay, let's try it. So these two don't press. Go down. Oh my gosh, okay, let's try this one. Oh my gosh! Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Okay, what's this top thing? Oh! It's actually so cool. Okay, other side. Okay. This is amazing. This is probably one of my favorite fidgets. I've always wanted a fidget pad because it can literally keep me so entertained. So that's why I recommend fidget pads if you're really bored, because there's literally so many different activities to do. So I think this is one of the loud sides. These two are the loud parts of it. And these two are the quiet parts of it. So literally, this is so cool. I definitely recommend it. Yeah, so overall, these are my new fidgets. I'm so happy and so grateful that I have them. So see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace out.